In this video, we are going to derive the standard equation of a circle. We'll start with the definition of a circle. A circle is a set of all points in the plane equidistant from a fixed point called the center. The fixed distance is called the radius. So I've drawn a circle here, or something close to being a circle, and I see a radius here, which I'm going to label r. And it turns out, that distance between the center and any point on the circle always r, right? So I can actually imagine taking that distance r and spinning it around the center and tracing out the circle. Well, to develop an equation for it, I want to pretend that I have an x-axis and a y-axis somewhere. It doesn't really matter where. And I'm going to call the x-coordinate of the center h and the y-coordinate of the center k. So that the center is at h comma k, and again this radius I've labeled r. So all of a sudden the center is not just any point, it's h comma k, and I'm going to let this point on the outside of the circle be some xy. So x comma y is some point on the circle. And I'm going to use this to come up with an equation for the circle. Because I know that all of the points on this circle are the same distance, equidistant from the center. They're that distance r. So I could imagine thinking about what the distance formula says in this case. The distance formula, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. All right, well, the distance between this point and this point is r. This point's xy, this point is hk, so I have x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared. This equation describes some of the points on this circle. If I square both sides, I get r squared equals x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared. And there I have it. That is the standard equation of a circle. Specifically, a circle centered at hk with a radius of r. We usually write it down this way, this side equal to this side from left to right. X minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared is equal to r squared, where h comma k is the center and the r is the radius. In our next videos, we're going to play around with this definition. We're going to write down the equation of some circles, and then we're going to sketch some circles from their equations.